Hello, we're decorating with Naja. What we're going to do tonight is we're going to make some roses and put them on some jumbo cupcakes. But the roses are going to be very colorful. I already prepared some roses. Aren't they beautiful? And I put them in the freezer for a little bit. Let me see the light. Lighting is everything. Yeah, there you see them? All right. Here's our jumbo cupcakes, ready to be designed and decorated. So, let's get it on. But I'm going to do one rose for you to show you how I do my roses. Got a nail. These are the roses that I did already, showed you it. Just trying to get some better lighting, but it is what it is. Okay. Always do it with one glove off. Make me a little mound. You see? Turn it. Turn it. You want to get a little peak to it. See? I got my peak. And then I'm going to start making my petals. 3 at the top and 1 in between each one, and you just keep going till you feel that your rose is at the height that you want. Is that beautiful or what? Take your scissors, pop it off. Oh, then you got your rose. Okay, so we don't need that rose. Make a purple one. Some people make the round mound, or some people make a blob like this. Go around it at the bottom, keep going around, and then make a point at the top. And you want to do your 3 petals, and then you do a petal in between each one. Beautiful. If you wanted to make a pink one, just to show you that I did make these roses that I froze. And I have to hurry up before they thaw out, because I'm going to show you how I place them on a cupcake. Okay, so here we go again, doing our pink one. 3 petals at the top, and then a petal in between each petal. See? Is that beautiful or what? Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. All right. Now, if you wanted to make your rose just a pinch bigger, I'll show you this, and then we're gonna have to move on. You just keep going and making more petals. As long as they don't get crazy. Your 3 petals at the top, 1 in between, and just pull them up closer so you have more room to cover. And your rose will start growing and growing and growing and growing. Look how big that is. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. All right, now we're gonna take these roses, the frozen ones here, and we're gonna place them on these cupcakes. Okay, so we have a pink cupcake. Let me see, we're gonna take you out of here. Take you out of here, and we're going to take the roses that we already have. Okay, we're going to take the roses that we already have, and we're going to place them on. So for this pink one, we're going to put a yellow one on here. You're going to place it on top, push it down. Ooh. We're going to give it 4 nice pretty leaves. That is pretty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, let's go check out our roses. See how beautiful they came out? Nice, isn't it? Beautiful. Yes. So that concludes our little tutorial on roses. How much fun. So you can find me on yes, YouTube. Naja's Creations and Adventures. And things that make me go, or ah. Yeah, it was fun hanging out with you. Anything about cakes, I'm your girl. So hit me up in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And check me out. New to the YouTube. Bye-bye. You have a good evening. Yeah.